So the opening lick is basically your standard blues lick in a D minor pentatonic box. We're going to slide up to 7D, then we're going to play 5G, and then we're going to do a slide down from 8G to 7. And that gives us our blue note. So 7D, 5G, 8 to 7G, back to 5, back to 7D, and then we're going to be on 8B as in boy with a little tiny half bend. Back to 5, G, and then we've got double stops, which is just 2 notes at once. 7/7 on G and B, and then down to 5, 5/5 on the same strings, and then 7D, back to 5/5, back to 7/7. So 7/7/5, 7D, 5, 7. Put that all together. So the verse goes like this. First chord is a D, and that riff starts on the note D, which is 5A, and we're going to go 7A, and we're going to slide up immediately to 9. So 3 of those, and then slide from 7 to 9. Then we've got 7D. Now we're going to do a slide on A again from 9 back down to 7, and then 5 again. So put it all together. Now we're going to do the exact same thing, just starting on 3E. And that's it. We do this whole thing back and forth 3 times. And for the but I can give you something in between. For that, it's just an A power chord. And it's for a measure and a half. If you just want to count how many strums, it's 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Or you could think about it as a measure and a half of eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and. Then we've got this lick. Now that lick starts on 9 or just kind of slides out of nowhere out to 9. Sorry, it starts on 7 and slides up to 9. Or you could think about it sliding just kind of out of nowhere up to 9. And then we've got 7A, and then real quickly 9, 7A, back to 9E. So 9E, 7A, 9, 7, back to 9E. From that A chord, we've got 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and that's the whole verse. Now for the chorus, it's really easy. He's just playing single notes here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be the 2nd fret on the A string. That's the note B. This is the chord B minor. But he's just playing the note. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then he goes down to the note G, which is the 3rd fret on the E string. Sometimes he'll do this little passing note, which is the 5th fret. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Really easy. And then at the end of that, so he goes B, G, B, G, B, and then he's got this lick. which is going to be an open E string, then the 2nd fret, then the 3rd fret, then the 4th fret, then the 5th fret, going down the 3rd fret, then the 2nd fret, then the open. Open, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3, 2, open. So then for the closing riff, we've got which is kind of like a combination of everything we've done so far. It starts on 5A, and now it's going to go straight down to 5E and do that slide up again to 7, and then 5A, slide back down on the E string, 7 to 5, and then the 3rd fret. And then we're going to go 5E, slide from 7 up to 9, and then 7A, and then slide from 9 down to 7. So you put that together, you've got okay? So putting the whole chorus together, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now sometimes I like to go just throw that in there, you know, it sounds cool, but either way is fine. And that is 90% of the song, maybe 95% of the song. Other than that, some things you can throw in there. You can do power chords on the chorus. But it really is just kind of single note. And it's quarter notes, not eighth notes, but I think the eighth notes kind of drive a little bit more. And now for that A that I can give you something in between, I personally prefer to do this, that sharp 9 Jimi Hendrix chord. So if you want to throw that in there, that would be an either open A string and then 7D, 6G, 8B, 8E. Or you can play it up on the 12th fret, which would be 12A, 11D, 12G, 13B. Just kind of adds a little bit of extra sauce. Anyway, let's go through the whole thing one time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here comes the A. 1, 2. Here we go. Here we go, the E lick.